In the petrochemical industry, where high temperatures and corrosive chemicals are the norm, you need a material that can stand up to the challenge. Quartz ceramic is that material. Its small thermal expansion and excellent thermal shock resistance. Quartz ceramic is the non-metal material of the future, especially corrosion-resistant products. Its exceptional corrosion resistance allows it to be in direct contact with most acids, alkalis, and other chemical substances without degradation.